Hello, today we will guide you through how to upload images on Linktree. To get started, open your browser and go to the Linktree admin page. This is where you manage your links and customize how they appear on your profile. Once you're signed in and viewing your links dashboard, take a moment to locate the link post where you want to add an image. This is helpful if you have several links already set up, since you'll want to make sure you're editing the correct one. Next, look for the image icon on the sample link post. This icon is the control used to add or change the visual thumbnail attached to that specific link. Thumbnails can make your link tree look more polished and can also help individual links stand out. So this is a useful feature if you want a more visual and engaging page. Click the image icon to open the thumbnail options for that link. After that, select Set Thumbnail. This opens the area where Linktree lets you choose how you want the image for that link to be added. If this is your first time using thumbnails, don't worry. The process is very straightforward. The Set Thumbnail option is simply the place where you tell Linktree that you want this link to display an image instead of staying plain text only. From there, click Upload Your Own. This option allows you to use an image from your own device rather than choosing from any built-in selections. Once you click it, you'll typically be prompted to browse your computer or device and choose the image file you want to upload. It's a good idea to use a clear image that matches the content of the link, since smaller thumbnails tend to work best when the subject is easy to recognize. If possible, choose an image that is clean, well lit, and not overly cluttered, so it stays readable at a smaller size. After selecting your image, Linktree will begin uploading it and applying it as the thumbnail for that link. Depending on your connection speed and file size, this may take just a few moments. Once it appears, you can review the link in your dashboard to confirm the image looks the way you expect. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded an image to a Linktree link using the thumbnail option. This simple update can make your links more eye-catching and easier for visitors to browse.